Tired of endless phone calls and repetitive customer interactions? In this video, we'll walk you through setting up Vapi AI for automated and personalized phone calls to revolutionize your communication strategy. Let's get started. First, head over to the Vapi AI website and create an account if you already have one. Go ahead and log in. Once logged in, you'll be guided through the initial setup. This usually involves subscribing to a suitable plan based on your needs, which gives you the ability to create a profile or personalize the iPhone system. Now, let's personalize your AI voice based on your preference. You can select the AI's voice, gender, and language. Additionally, you'll be able to give the AI a name. Next, we'll build your call flow. You'll upload a script or create one where your AI agent delivers the information or answers the questions from the caller. Outline the conversation, specify the key actions, and tailor the responses with the help of pre-built options, like the creation of a survey. The final connection is your phone or your business phone. Ensure all the settings are set, and you can test it out by calling the phone number you set up. Now you can track your call history, analyze call data, and monitor the AI's performance. You are all set. Using Vapi AI gives you complete phone call automation, leading the way for enhanced customer service and streamlined communication.